Kaya niya yan. Kaya mo yan.
Okay. Good afternoon. Simple lang yung tanong namin. In relation to that, of course, our celebration of Teachers' Day. Okay. If God will give you another chance to live in this world and to choose another profession, is either you will become an accountant, a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, and of course, a teacher again. What do you want to be in life?
Thank you so much for the question. If I would be given another chance